Mapping the Mind of the Modern Polymath. What the Alfiz channel's top videos reveal about contemporary consciousness seekers. An analysis of the Alfiz channel's top 10 videos by returning viewers offers a compelling window into the psychology, worldview, and intellectual tendencies of its core audience. Each title functions as a microcosm of the channel's broader themes, intersections of science, spirituality, systems thinking, and personal transformation. And together, they reveal a distinct profile of the modern digital learner. Curious, reflective, and eager to synthesize complexity into meaning. The recurring topics suggest a strong attraction to complex systems and paradoxical thought. Videos such as When a Flat Vortex Intersects Infinity, Does It Wobble? And The Black Hole Paradox, where information warps, wobbles, and settles, indicate that viewers are drawn to intellectual frontiers where physics blends with philosophy and where uncertainty becomes a space for exploration rather than confusion. This interest in speculative yet grounded inquiry signals a cognitive appetite for ambiguity, a desire to think through paradox as a means of discovery. Equally prominent are mythic and metaphysical themes, as seen in The Hidden Energy Grid, Dragons, Naga, Jinn, and Treasure. This title combines esoteric imagery with a systems-oriented metaphor, Energy Grid, implying that the Alfiz channel's audience seeks not just scientific or technical knowledge, but also symbolic frameworks that connect inner and outer realities. They appear to value multidimensional learning, engaging with myth, metaphor, and ancient wisdom traditions as legitimate ways of mapping consciousness. A third major focus is psychology and collective mind theory, evident in Shared Consciousness, the Decentralized Library of Human Knowledge, and Silence of the Salience Network, when dysregulation leads to All In, the Perfect Storm. These suggest deep engagement with the mechanics of attention, awareness, and cognition. The viewers seem to approach neuroscience and consciousness studies not just as scientific fields, but as mirrors for personal introspection. They want to understand how mind and network, inner and collective, shape one another. The inclusion of humans out, robots in, the 2025 workforce shift, reveals another facet of the audience's curiosity: technological and social transformation. Viewers appear to be future-oriented, alert to automation, AI, and shifting labor patterns, but they approach these not from fear, but from a systems integration standpoint, asking what these changes mean for human identity and creativity. This complements titles like Fractal Structure versus Splatter Chaos as an overlay supercharged learning teaching tool, VOL5B, where a fascination with structure, pattern, and meta-learning emerges. Here, the audience demonstrates a self-aware relationship to learning itself, exploring how knowledge can be organized, visualized, and internalized for deeper understanding. Finally, videos such as Sometimes We Have to Go In to Get Out introduce the introspective and transformational dimension of this audience's mindset. This suggests not only intellectual curiosity, but also emotional depth, a comfort with self-inquiry, transformation, and psychological rebirth. These are not casual viewers seeking entertainment. They are seekers using information as a medium for self-evolution. Taken together, these patterns describe a psychographic profile of the Explorer-Synthesizer, an audience composed of intuitive rationalists, autodidacts, and visionary learners. They blend analytical and intuitive modes of thought, often holding both scientific and spiritual frameworks simultaneously. Linguistically, the titles themselves reflect this duality. They pair hard-edged scientific language, vortex, fractal, salience network, with emotive or mystical terms, silence, treasure, shared consciousness. This synthesis of tone mirrors the cognitive style of the viewers, analytical yet imaginative, seeking coherence across apparent opposites. Ultimately, this data reveals that the Alfiz channel's audience embodies a new archetype of the modern polymath, individuals navigating the digital age through synthesis rather than specialization. Their engagement with paradox, symbolism, and systemic inquiry reflects a collective shift in consciousness toward integrative understanding. They are not only consuming content, but participating in a broader cultural movement, a search for order within chaos, meaning within information, and unity within diversity.